When you're choosing where to live, it's not just about the home, it's everything around it. And this one gets it right. As you walk in, the first thing you notice is the space. High ceilings, natural light, and a clean, modern design that immediately feels comfortable. This home offers over 2,200 square feet, with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a den, giving you flexibility whether you need a home office, guest space, or extra room for family. The layout is open, but still defined, so it feels connected without feeling crowded. The kitchen sits right at the center of it all, exactly where it should be. You've got a large island for gathering, quartz countertops, a full appliance package, and a walk-in pantry that actually gives you the storage you need. It flows directly into the living space, making it perfect for entertaining or just everyday life. The split floor plan gives you privacy when you want it. The primary suite really feels like a retreat. You've got 2 walk-in closets, dual vanities, a private toilet room, and a large glass walk-in rain shower. It's the kind of space that's functional, but also feels like a place you can unwind. Step outside and you start to see what makes this property different. A fully fenced yard, plenty of space to entertain, and even fruit trees, banana, papaya, fig, and lemon. There's also a covered lanai, so whether it's morning coffee or hosting friends, you've got the space to enjoy it. And something that adds real peace of mind. You're about 10 to 15 minutes from Cleveland Clinic Tradition Hospital, a newer, state-of-the-art facility, and St. Lucie Medical Center. That kind of access matters more than people think. And then there's the lifestyle. You're close to restaurants and shopping, golf courses, beaches, and the Atlantic Ocean deep sea fishing net spring training. Plus, easy access to I-95, the Turnpike, and about 45 minutes to Palm Beach International Airport. This is the full package: space, location, and lifestyle. For additional information or a private showing, call Matt Walsh, 561-886-8456, or Tim Bouchard, 561-919-4255, because at the end of the day, it's more than a home, it's your lifestyle.